I just used Claude AI and Chatgpt to create this entire thing. And around, you can zoom in, zoom out. You just click. This is actually really a complex thing which requires a lot of great experience in Android development. This is your phone. This is how people use it. Swipe up, swipe up, swipe down. And this is how legends use it. Be a legend. Download 0x rotation gesture app. Make your life easy. Die like a legend. So the first thing which I asked was, I just gave the screenshot which is of GitHub. So then I was like, in under studio coding, I want to have a canvas on which I want to have something like this, few squares like in horizontal and vertical gray color. You can use canvas to achieve this. Specifically told you to use canvas to use this, and I need these features like moving it, zoom in, zoom out, like that, as if a drawing canvas. Okay, so it just give me this code, grid canvas, which has as XML. This is the XML of that thing. So paste the entire thing in this. Okay, I'll just paste it out over here. We'll run the app. Look, it gave me. I wanted 12 like this, and even I can just drag it. Even I can zoom in, zoom out like this. See, even I can zoom out. Cute, great. So the next question what I had is restrict panning. So as you can see, I'm moving it. The thing is going out of the screen. I don't want it to be like this. Recoded the entire thing. It is just give me one more code. Let's copy it and try this thing instead. Let's run the app. Now, as you can see, I'm able to zoom. It is restricting my borders. Cool. Even if I zoom out, I can't go left and right. Even though I'm trying to see it is just restricting it. So the next question was that is adding text inside the square. Like first horizontal square will have text like this, second will be like this. So just give me one more code. Let's copy and repaste this here and run the code. It's running. Yep, now we are having the thing actually. Now we are having the text 26363839. Cool. Okay, so the next command what I asked was, okay, I want this to be the background, this or this, the white color BTN2 to be the background of all these grid, whatever grid you are seeing, this grid. Okay, so what it gave me next? Let's see that. So again, it gave me the code. Let's just open the code and copy, and we'll just paste it back and run it. Great, just perfect. As you can see, now the background is a circle, much better. What I have created, it is giving the custom background. Okay, so the next thing what I did was final is here. So I want to add just one more thing, and that is like by the default, the canvas should be zoomed a bit as if the first cell is on top left of the screen. So as you can see, when I run the app, there is one problem. It's very small. It is like zoomed out. Everything is very tiny. I wanted it to look like this, as if the first cell is in the top left corner. That's what I explained it, and it gave me the code. Let's just try this out and run it. So this time it will come by default like this, as if the first cell is on the top left corner. Pretty good actually. So next, again, my question was, let's have some more stuff to this thing now. Add on click listener for each cell. It should toast the text value. So I wanted to have the click event, like whenever I click like this, something should happen. A toast message should come. So it gave me the code. Let's replace it and run it. Cool. So now when I click, you can see here tiny message to 5, the time whatever is there. See, this is the tiny message you are seeing. Just for the testing, the toast is being used. So the on click thing is working right now. So when I drag, that time also it will work. But as you can see, there is a small bug over here. See, I'm dragging from here. When I leave here, if I again drag from the bottom corner, it's resetting. See, it's resetting. Previously, this problem was not there. So I just cross checked the code which Claude AI has written. So here, as you can see, so you just can't copy paste everything and you just can't set that it will work fine. Such things happen. Okay. See, here on touch event, here I just checked where exactly this on click event is present. That code is present over here. And the problem here was, so the on touch event is being called later. This is being called before. So what I did, so the gesture detector on touch event is happening after when I just placed it before so that the problem won't exist. See, now as you can see, the problem is solved. Even though I'm dragging, it's working fine. Pretty cool, okay? Even if I click, click is also working now. Here, this thing is less on click. I have long click. Please, okay, it's pretty much dividing the code. Oh, so this is actually the new interface of ChatGPT, writing the code separately on the right side, and the chat conversation will be on the left side. So let's see and try to understand where exactly he's putting the. Okay, here it is. Here it has given the long click. Arrow X rotation gesture app, which is keep supporting as I'm working on. Okay, it is just 10 plus downloads right now. Please go ahead and try it and download it. It's pretty good app actually. After this app, I'm also creating some weird app that won't exist on the internet. Okay, the code is here. Okay, fine. The finally the code is here, and we'll test this out. So I asked it to implement the single click and long click. First, we'll check the panning. Okay, panning is working fine. Zoom. Oops. Okay, zoom in, zoom out is working great. Single click is working fine. Cool. Let's test the long click. Woo! Yes. Long click 720. Next feature what I want to implement is on single click. I wanna change the background 18 underscore 1. So the code is here. Let's copy this out and let's test this thing again. Let's launch this. We are having it now. So the long take, the drag is working fine. The zoom is also working great. So now the next thing, so click. Wow. Woo. Yay, we did it, man. Cool, man. This is just cool, awesome, right? Just using the ChatGPT. This is what I wanted actually.